Hi, mm, welcome to my channel. My name is Pranav, and today we are going to talk about a very important part of SEO, that is keyword research. So, first of all, you just have to open google.com on your computer. If you don't have the google.com, then please go ahead and open that and sign in into your Gmail account. Once you sign in into your Gmail account, you have to directly come on the Google search page. And on the Google search page, you simply have to type ads.google.com. Once you type ads.google.com on your computer, you'll have these search results. So you have to simply click on this ads.google.com. After that, this page will be appear on your computer screen. Grow your business with Google Ads. So now we have to click on sign in. We are going to use a keyword planner like Google Keyword Planner. This is a part of Google. Now you will have these ID over here when you open that. So you have to open your ID like you have two IDs. If you have one, you can open that. So after that, it will be start loading like this. So you have to take some time. You have to wait. Just it's taking some time, so you have to wait. Okay, now you will have this page. What's your main advertising goal or something like that? But we don't need all this. So what we are going to do, we are simply going to scroll down and click on this switch to expert mode. If you don't see this, you have to scroll down and then you will find the switch to export mode. Once you will click on switch to expert mode, it will take some time, and then it will be on the other page, so you have to wait. Okay, now you will have this page. We don't want to create the campaign right now. We just have to use this for the keyword research. So what you have to do here, you simply need to click on create an account without a campaign here. Okay, once you will do this, okay, now you will have this page. You simply need to click on submit over here. Once you click on submit, then you will have this page. Congrats, you are all done. Then you have to click on explore your account. After all these process, you will have this interface on your computer. If you never tried before, then try this. If you tried before, you already know that. Now on the top you can see uh, something like that: search, reports, tools and settings, billing. You just have to click on tools and settings. Okay, on your computer, just click on tools and settings. After click on tools and settings, you'll have these things. You have to click on keyword planner. Once you will click on keyword planner, it will take you here. Okay, now you will have this page, discover new keywords. So you just have to click on this discover new keywords on your computer, and here you just have to click on this plus tab and type here Google. Okay, type here Google. Once you will do this, you have to go back to your keyword planner and type. You can type like best shoes. I'm just giving an example. Okay, it can be anything. Best shoes in India, and it can be anything. I'm just giving you an example. You can try according to your niche. So once you will do this, you will have this page on your computer screen and you will get a quick idea. Now over here, just okay, you don't have to do anything with this. You just have to click on apply. Now you will have this screen on your computer, best shoes in India. You can see that 100 to 1k. Now you have to open a Excel on your computer. I don't have a Excel, so I'm not open. I will not open that. I will just type a keyword and then I will type the average monthly search and the competition. Average monthly search and competition. Monthly search and competition. Now, for example, you have this keyword. What does that? Best shoes in India. So you just have to copy this on your Excel, or I recommend you Excel. I don't have Excel right now on my computer, so I'm not using that. So it's best shoes in India, and it says the competition is pretty high. It says high, and it's just like 500,000 people are in India who search by this term. The some other terms is best running shoes for men in India. So it's almost 1k to 10k. Now, how you are going to determine that how many people are competing on this keyword? You have to go back to the Google and you just have to paste a keyword here. Once you paste a keyword, you can see some result here. Okay, it's like 50, like it's a lot of number. So you just have to type here. These are the competitors. Okay, 50,000 people, and on this keyword, which is best running shoes for man in India, at 71800. So this number should be less. Okay, this number should be less, so you can find out how many people are competing on this particular keyword. I hope you understand this point. In short, this is a keyword where around 100 to 1000 people are searching for this keyword. The competition is high according to Google, and if I will be going to put this keyword on the Google, it will be going to give me this result. Okay, so these are the numbers who are competing against on this keyword. So this number should be less, this number should be less, and this number should be higher. Okay, that's how you can find out how many people are competing against on this keyword and how many searches you have. So that's how you can find out best keyword. Also, you can try one more thing. You can go to the Google trend. Okay, this is the best way. You can find out. You can find out like how many people are searching on this keyword in in this period of time. So for example, we are going to type here best shoes in India, right? Best shoes in India. So we are just going to type this best shoes in India. Also, we just have to change this country from the top. It's it's coming on the United States. I'm just going to make a changes with this. I'm just going to type here India. I did it. Type India, and then it gave me this result. These are the enters over time, right? Also, you can check the past hour, how many people have searched for this term in past hour. Like there are few people who try that in India. So this is a term which you can try accordingly. You can try that. Whatever keyword you have, you can try that. It can be any. It can be related to your niche. So I hope that will be helpful. There's some other keyword research tool as well, but this is a free tool which you can use, and it is giving almost accurate details. You can try Uber Suggest and SEM Rush, Href, but those are paid tools. I think Uber Suggest is free. You can try that, but I would highly recommend you to use the Google Keyword Planner. This is free, and we just have to maintain a Excel, and on your Excel you have to make a list. You just have to find out how many competitors are there by the by this like by these numbers. Okay, find out, and this number should be higher, this number should be higher, and this number should be less. So that's how you can find the best keyword for your niche, and if this number is less, you can easily rank on Google. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so I can give you more video like this.